Great. Oh my god, this Chinese place. Fuck, what is up with my computer? Oh my god. It's like, putting the fuck out, man. Let me try to restart my Explorer by DX.
May I remind you?
Hello, I want to make the order today, please.
Phone number?
310.
Yes.
The sec 2 pie.
Just 1 second.
The sec 2 pie. Hello.
310.
The 310. The sec 2 pie. The 1338.
325. The
No, look here, big boy. 310. The
yes.
sec 2 pie.
625.
The sec 2 pie, yes.
And
The 1337.
1338.
Surprise, surprise. See, yes.
Okay, your address.
I want
You
to
want deliver? You want to pick up?
I want to pick up I want to pick up the order very quickly, like a 10 minute,
10 minutes.
5 minute maybe.
Okay, just 1 second. Okay, 10 minutes.
No.
May I have your order?
Okay, I want to get the 2 order of the sucka chicken,
What kind of chicken?
the orange chicken,
And
the 2 order of the purple platter, and 1 big cock in my ass.
I beg pardon?
A cock.
Okay, how many?
2 or 3 cocks would be nice. Very painful. Delicious.
And
That's it.
that's it?
Yes.
Okay, did you see the 10 minutes?
How long do you think it take me to get the food? I have a hungry people like a vultures.
15, yeah, you can come at 10 minutes.
10 minutes? Okay, very delicious. I come there right now for the big cock. I want it. Okay, go
May I
bye.
have your name?
Bok Lao, B-O-K-L-A-U.
Huh?
Bok Lao, B-O-K-L-A-U.
Just 1 second.
Fuck. No.
So I see you at the 10 minutes, sir.
Yes, 10 minutes. They're yelling right now. That's the same guy who ordered the food last time. They don't pick it. Hello? Hello? Big boy.
Hello?
Hello?
Yes?
Okay, I talked to
Yeah,
the
we'll
lady.
see you in 10 minutes, okay?
What happened?
We'll see you in 10 minutes.
Why are you screaming? What I do?
Nothing. We'll see you in 10 minutes. No,
Okay.
I'm just trying to hang up the phone.
What
All
happened?
right. Nothing. I'm trying to hang up the phone. All right. Thank you. We'll see you in 10 minutes.
Okay, big boy. They like got a customer and said, I give you free sample. Talk to this man, tell him to fuck off. Dude, there's no way that guy works there. He's like, must be like some type of health inspector or something. He was too fluent in the language.